right, so what's in this building here? Skeleton hay elevator sticking over 2 easy trail hay wagons. Actually, we got about 11, 12 of them. 12th one is being built. Cat 3406B generator, 2 New Holland 256 hay rakes, little wagon with gas cans in it. 2000, oh, what the heck? Little push mower. Got that for a graduation present. I love it. 2016 John Deere 1590 grain drill. And you don't even know the year of the corn planter. It's a John Deere 7000 corn planter, set up for it's it does pop up and 28 as well. 6-row corn planter. Like I said, the hay rakes again. Hay elevator, got the rake dolly there. 1950. Oh, what the heck is that? A 52 or 53 Farmall 300. Yeah. Everybody says that it wasn't international because when we got it, it had a white grill. But we changed, but it said Farmall on it. It had the badge. Well, it was a basket case tractor. It ran. The owner didn't have any time to work on it. It's got a fast hitch, and I can't remember if this one has the remotes or not, and I can't get... Oh, can I get back to it? Yeah, I can get back to it. Yeah, it's got remotes on it. Don't know if they work or not. It's got a fast hitch on it. Had a generator, but we put an alternator on it, and it starts ever so nicely. 1957 John Deere 720 diesel. It's got a little V4 pony in it. I put that on it because I was tired of the muffler. I wanted to hear a pretty tune. So 1950. Oh, what? 1953. No, 1952. I think that is. Oliver Cleat Track HG42. Maytag engine in it. Now, don't even ask me. Let's see here. There's 2 or 3 rows. A 6. So, yeah. I don't even know where the heck. Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the 12th one is being built. So, yeah. Why? You might be asking yourselves, why you need 12 wagons? Well, it was bad enough unloading 11 wagons last year. Or no, 10 wagons, I should say. All in one day on the hottest day of the year, and he wants to unload 10 wagons. It got stinking humid out so darn quick that, yeah, it was humid, it was hot that morning, and felt like crap afterwards, but, you know, oh well. 1955, International 350 utility. This has got a fast hitch also, and hydraulics on it. It's got the remotes right here. Why they aren't stationary, I do not know. But everything works as it should. What year is that truck? I do not know, and I'm not even going to try to guess. Oop! There's paperwork right there. What's that go to? International? No, that John Deere B. That goes to this thing here. Okay, so it's a 1947 John Deere B 6-volt system, and I should probably go around this next month or start this stuff up again and let it run. It's always good to do so. It's a C60 truck. I do know that. C60, C65, I can't remember. It looks just as clean as, you know, the day we bought it. Bought it used, of course, as a lime truck. Had a lime bed on it. It's got a two-speed rear end, and that's what this guy here is. Then you just shift it normal like you would. It's got air brakes. And it's got the fat man steering wheel, as I call it. Yeah. It's set up for corn to spray the corn. We got the pop-up 28 in this tank. Pop-up in that tank, or I don't know. I don't know what to look in spring. We got 2 engines on it. That little tank there is for fresh water, rinse your hands off or whatever. That is a Massey Ferguson 810, I think. So much equipment to remember. Yeah, Massey Ferguson 810 offset disc. That is 20, what is it? 2010 gooseneck, 22 foot. 1945 M Farmall stuck in the corner there. That's 12 volt. 12 volt system. International 4900 lime truck. This lime body used to be on that truck. Frame was getting pretty crusty on that truck, so we bought this chassis, threw this bed on it, and it looks ever so nicely. The only thing is, you know, we blah, always want more power. So yeah, it does good with the super singles on it, but that is that. 2013 John Deere 825i Gator. Yeah, the International again. I don't know why, but all these trucks look good with sun visors on them. Man. 19 whatever the heck that is. International Cub. Long gun guard tractor. 2000. What the heck? 2020? Yeah. No, 19. I don't know. This is the 725. This is the little brother to that 729 Grasshopper with the 6-foot deck. I'm gonna just guess that that this is a mid-80s. If anybody knows what year this thing is, please tell me, because I feel it's a mid-80s Steiner 420 tractor with the mower on it. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys would like to see more just like this, go check out more videos. Go check out PA Grain Farmer on YouTube. Did I say that right? Yep, there he is, PA Grain Farmer. Go check him out on YouTube. Brand new. Hasn't really had any videos, but go check him out, guys. Be thankful that you did. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.